How you doing? Bob with the Mr. Bob Show, and we're changing out the tires on the Buell, getting rid of the race tires, going something better suited for the street. So we're going to show you real quick how it's done. Basically, we're going to take off the brake caliper, which I took off already on this side, and loosen our main bolt here, push out our arm so we can get the belt drive off. The Buell's on the belt drive. Push this belt. What you want to do is you want to get it to come slide over the whole time. There we get the belt drive off. Now all you do is you take this one nut out of here. What you can do is you can just put that pin on there, get it started. And then we're going to have Joey come in and hold the wheel. Just take the weight off the wheel. And I'm going to pull over this side, I'm going to pull the back wheel off. Right off. That's how you do it. It's that easy. Okay, and so you know what goes back where. Make sure you put everything back on there so you don't forget. So we have the brake support, goes back on the swing arm. Brake spacer, which is going to go on this side of the swing arm. We slide everything through. You have your washer, your lock washer, your nut, and your back tires off. Now we're going to go up, I'm going to change up the front tire. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the front off, and all you do is there's a set of Allen's screws on the front here, which we're just going to loosen up. And you have to take them all the way off most of the time. Loosen them. Once we get them loose, okay, this side loose, now I'm going to loosen up this side. Just the same procedure. Just loosen them up right here. Loosen them up right here. And we get the same thing on this side. What you do is you take this main nut off, and then what you do is you put it on just a little bit, just so you're not screwing up the threads. Give it a quick whack, just to see if she's loose. She's loose. Now all we need Joey to do is just take a little bit of the weight off the bike again, push down the back. Let's pull this out. You don't have to take the brakes off when you're doing the fronts. What we'll do is slide it open. Take the brake roller off on this because we have the newer Brembos, and the new Brembos have to come off. So the way to get off, we have a little more clearance to get by this. But see this now, we can see these two right here off real fast. It's real simple. This is the same procedure we use on the back. See those shim marks. You want to remember where they go, and I have two on top, two on the bottom. So I want to make sure I have my 4 shims. I put it back together, throw the top on it. Get a little locked on here somehow. Still locked up in this rotor right here. So what we gotta do is get it up higher.
Yeah, we're gonna have to jack it up.
You just gotta have to jack them both up. So I'm gonna jack the bike up higher. Hold that.
Okay, you're on Dad. I know where to put it, Brianna. I know more than this.
Jack the bike up a little higher. sure we get it way off the ground. And had we jacked it up high in the first place, we wouldn't have to take off the brake, but fortunately, we didn't do it that way, so we're going to use
That one, you might want to turn it that way.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit it, so I'm going to take the wheel off and I'm going to lower it back down. All I got to do now is just slide this wheel out. Okay, so here she is with the tires off of her. And the tires are down at CycleWorks. Getting new Dunlop Z-rated 170 17s on it. It had 180 on the back, but bumping it down to the correct one, which is a 170. And we'll give you a shot of it when it comes back with the new tires. And we're going to reverse the procedure of putting them back on, and we'll show you how that's done. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.